now to get the reaction. You can see it's starting to make the hydrogen and the oxygen. I'm going to start the truck up. You see the vacuum is pulling it up. The electricity is creating more hydrogen and oxygen gas, which is injected into the carburetor to create a more complete burn of propane, gasoline, or diesel.